Hi guys, I am Shashi and today's topic is idiom. We are going to cover 10 idioms in this video. So today's first idiom is bad hair day, meaning manhus din. Example, the day I left the city was a bad hair day. Second, a bone of contention, झगड़े की जड़. Example, the land was a bone of contention. Third, a burning question, meaning महत्वपूर्ण सवाल. Example, this has been a burning question for a long time. Fourth is under the weather, बीमार होना. Example, my mother is feeling a bit under the weather. Fifth is cold feet, घबराना. Example, she had been feeling cold feet before the judge. Sixth, like riding a bicycle, कुछ सीखना और कभी ना भूलना. Example, learning a language is like riding a bicycle, you will never forget. Seventh is spill the beans, Raj kholna. Example, Raj spilled the beans about his affair with Komal. Eight is it is the always the darkest before dawn, meaning सब कुछ ठीक हो जाना. Example, no worries about life, remember it is always the darkest before the dawn. Ninth is bolt from the blue, meaning कुछ अचानक घटित हो जाना. Example, the news of my friend accident was a bolt from the blue. Tenth is comes rain or shine, चाहे कुछ भी हो. Example, come rain or shine, I will be there for you. If you really enjoy this video and learn some idioms from that, please give a video like and it helps my channel to grow. So please subscribe if you're new on this channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much once again.